Okay, so we've made the volcano erupt. We've made it extra bubbly. Now we're gonna make the volcano extra loud. So same stuff. 100 ml of water in here. We need to put 1 big scoop of sodium bicarbonate, and a big scoop of citric acid. But now we're gonna add 1 big scoop of pop crystals. So a big scoop of pop crystals. And now a lot of dish soap, just like the last one. Oh my god, that's a lot of stuff. Mix it up. Some dish soap.
Okay, ready to go. Again, slowly.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ah, I can hear it. I can hear it. Hear the pop?
Wait, turn it around this
Hear the
way.
pop? Yeah, hear the pop. Okay, let it be.
It's splitting up.
Yeah, you can hear the pop inside?
Yeah. It's like pop, pop, pop. See how
I hear the eruption sound.
yeah.
Excellent. Okay, say bye.
Okay, so it's gonna be it for this time. Bye, guys.